send him. So we're going to be careful out here and gear him up and take him for a little pass on the tree side. You ready, buddy?
Yep.
What's your name? Tell about your name.
My name's Chase and I do sports.
He does sports. He's got actually our old junior dragster coming to find out lockdown.
Yep.
So, all right, we're ready to do this. We'll video this run, see if it scares him a little bit, or he'll probably be all right, right? Maybe? I think it might a little bit. We'll see. All right, man, let's get you in this thing. All right. So step in there nice and easy. Yep. Yep, there you go. Well, we'll seatbelt you in here and then we'll send this thing.
Hi, Chase.
Hi, Mom. Hi, Wesley.
All right, little man, you ready?
Yep.
Now you gotta wait for me to get ready. All right.
I'm nervous, but I'm excited at the same time.
That's cool, man. You got some.
How much horsepower is in this thing?
Right now on the big end, probably 2,500, but now we ain't gonna be using all that today. All right, we're gonna fire this thing up. We'll pull up. All right.
All right.
All right, man. Careful. Keep your feet in one spot. Try not to move them around. You good?
Yep.
Tire pressure good, guys? Tire pressure good?
Right now?
Huh?
Are you going right in?
I'll wait up there if you want me to.
Wait up there and just, I put
Okay.
it like point too high.
All right. He's all, he's good.
Don't shit yourself.
Got it, right, buddy? Hey, we got a phone in here, but we don't know, Chris, if it's going to last. So it's probably going to end up in his lap. Thumbs up.
Chase is in there going to make Rankin famous.
Famous for infamous. All right.